tourism, particularly ecotourism, it's a very sustainable way of sustaining the communities and the economy around this area. So in that way, resuscitating this hotel will bring more jobs and improve the livelihood of the people around this area. And it's very, very important that we do it not only as government, but in partnership with the private sector.
There is a lot of poverty around this area, and it is not good for us to have facilities of this nature that are not operating, which could bring the much needed relief in terms of employment opportunities to the area. But as the Honorable MEC has mentioned, the intention is not just to have only the investments, but we also want to see a meaningful participation from our communities from the adjacent areas here.
When you talk investment, we're not talking investment of bringing people from Durban or from Johannesburg, but we're talking people from here. So we're not only promoting township and rural tourism, but we are balancing between rural township tourism, established SMMEs and all types of tourism products that we have. But most of all, we want you to experience something new, some things that you've never seen, something that you've never heard of, something that you've never experienced before. And this is why you are here.
So South Africa, I think it's very important that we take and we embrace tourism, particularly the domestic tourism. 78% of our total market comes from South African market. But it will be difficult to sustain it if we are not creating jobs such that people can have disposable income that they can spend towards tourism. So it's very important that we create something that has a ripple effect and people can be able to spend the money that they are earning back into their communities to sustain their communities by sustaining other businesses as well, small businesses in particular.
My name is Nogukhanya Mzamazwide Ngumalo. I am the horticulturist here. I'm the one that produces the grapes. I come from a place where there's absolutely nothing like you can see here. And then we produce, we plant, we test the soils, we fertilize the soils, and then we plant the right cultivar of the grapes that are needed. Yes, it is true that the Cape receives mostly winter rainfall, and here we are a summer rainfall area. But because we're in the Berg, the cool climate that we have here allows us to actually produce grapes. We are the youngest wine region, the Guinness World Book of Records, KZN, in fact the Drakensberg. So that is why we are striving here in this area with producing grapes. And this is not the only wine estate in this region. We now have 3 others. So it has proven that you can produce grapes in the KZN, and it is doing very, very well.